Hello and welcome back to another Popcoin.gg tutorial video. Again, this is Ben from the team, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an account on Popcoin.gg. For that, you simply want to head over to Popcoin.gg and then click connect. And then you have various options to create an account. There's either the option to directly connect with the wallet of your choice. So you can use MetaMask, Infinity, whatever you want to use basically. Or alternatively, you can simply go for a classic way and use email authentication. For the sake of this video, I'm actually going to use the email method simply because it's easier. So I'm going to create an account. I simply have to select create your account now. Enter your email address. I'm just going to copy that in from here. So test account at popcoin.gg. I'm going to create a password and we can skip the referral code. And we simply clicked create account and this is it, all done already. Now you can, as you know, simply log out, log in again with your email and password combination. And as a next step in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can actually fund your account. And for that, once you're logged in, you simply want to click wallet. And there's three options to fund your account in terms of assets. You can use ETH, you can use USDC and Tether. If you want to use USDC or Tether, make sure that you use the ERC20 based addresses, but I'll walk you through that in just a second. So simply select the asset of choice. I'm going to use ETH and click deposit. And then there's basically two options here. Because I didn't connect my wallet, I cannot directly sign a transfer. If you connect it or if you create your account with a wallet, that would be an option. But I'm simply going to say transfer with address. And if you're familiar with blockchain transfers, this should be pretty much straightforward. I'm going to copy this address. Off screen, I'm going to open my MetaMask account and I'm going to send the transaction. And let's send 0.05 ETH for this sake. And I simply have to sign this transaction, confirm. And now we're waiting for the arrival of that transaction. So that shouldn't take long. Just while we wait, we can also go back here and select a different asset, for example, USDC or USDT. Basically, same thing. Simply select the method on how you want to go ahead with that transfer, and you would simply transfer these USDT to that address shown here. The transaction has just gone through. And let's check out our wallet. Here we are, 0.05. So that was fairly quick. Here's the transaction link that you can click and check it out on Etherscan. But with that being said, we are now able to use these ETH as a wager and can make short-term predictions again, try our luck, or use our wisdom in predicting short-term price movements. When it comes to withdrawing these funds, very straightforward again. You simply select the asset that you want to withdraw. In this case, only option is with an address, so you would have to enter the address of the wallet where you want to receive your ETH. Enter that address here. As always, make sure to double check that address. Enter the amount. Make sure that you are aware of the minimum that you need to cover. There's a small withdrawal fee just to cover transaction costs, as you know, and then you go ahead, select the option here that you checked everything and click withdraw and you're good to go. So feel free to try that out. And yeah, we're looking forward to getting feedback from you. We wish you best of luck with your short-term predictions and let us know how it goes. All the best. Until then, goodbye.